The Stonington Garden Club cordially invites you to Gardens by the Sea, a walking tour in Stonington Borough on June 10th and 11th from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. This event will feature a hand-picked collection of 9 private gardens. A unique feature of the tour will be artists in the borough, with plein air painters drawing inspiration from our seaside landscapes. Charlie Nardozzi, garden expert and award-winning radio and TV personality, will speak on June 10th and 11th, and a special preview party will be held June 9th. These events are ticketed separately. A tented vendor marketplace will offer a wide variety of home and gift items. Tour tickets are $35 in advance online or $40 on the days of the tour. Visit stoningtongardenclub.org and come take a walk with us this summer.